Hey guys! So today we're making mince pies, not the perfectly shaped Pinterest-worthy ones. Oh no. These are cute, a little messy, but trust me, they're totally delicious. For this recipe you'll need 140 grams of soft butter, 1 egg, 400 grams of mixed dried fruits, some lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 300 grams of plain flour. Simple stuff, right? Okay, first things first, butter and flour. Mix them together until you get that crumbly sandcastle feel. You know what I mean. Next, make a little well, like a tiny dough volcano, and pour in your egg. Mix that up, throw in the salt, and then add 50 milliliters of water. Keep mixing until it looks like dough. Now it's time to get your hands messy. Knead that dough like you're in a baking montage. Once it's firm, wrap it in cling film and pop it in the fridge for 15 minutes. We love a good dough chill-out session. Alright, dough time is over. Roll it out, not too thin, not too thick. Think Goldilocks approved thickness, then grab something round like a lid or a cutter about 5 centimeters wide and start making your pie bases. Plop those circles into your muffin cups. Don't worry if they're not perfect. Mine definitely aren't. Just make sure the bottoms are covered so your filling doesn't escape. This is a good time to go preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, fan setting. Okay, here's the fun part. The tops. I used Christmas cookie cutters because, duh, it's festive season. Stars, trees, snowflakes, you name it. Just plop them on top of the filling. They don't need to cover the whole thing. Got leftover dough? Double up the shapes. More is more, right? For the filling, we're using mixed dried fruits. Heads up, some packs can be really sweet, so I added a little lemon zest and a pinch of salt to balance things out. Trust me, it works. Now, fill each cup with the fruit mix. Be generous, but don't overstuff them. Pop them in the preheated oven and bake these cuties for 15 minutes. The kitchen smells amazing. Once they're out, let them cool before diving in. Oh, and did you notice we didn't glaze the dough? Sure, glazing makes them shiny, but honestly, it doesn't do much for the flavor. And we're all about the flavor here. And there you have it, easy, tasty mince pies that are perfect for Christmas. Not too sweet, super simple, and a total crowd pleaser. Give them a try and let me know how yours turn out.